Hallo, liebe Leute. Let's look at your activity, Party Drama C. So, in this activity, you were filling in the missing words. And this is just a recap of the whole party thing that you just did in the audio activity. So you just filled in. Like Nummer 1, also die Klasse 9a hat am Samstag eine Party für Victor gemacht. You're just filling in the missing words. So give it your best shot. And then when you scroll down, you can check, okay, just to see if you got the right words in there. All right. Now here's the important part. So let's take a quick look at the grammar. You might have noticed that you've got some verbs that are bolded. Hat gemacht. Also hat gemacht. Did. They made a party. Es war super. It was super. Victor hat Geschenke ausgepackt. He unpacked the presents. Dann haben alle in die Küche Spaghetti gekocht. Sie haben gekocht. They cooked. Also, Sophie hat Tomatensauce probiert. She tried. She had tried. Also, es hat sehr gut geschmeckt. It tasted good. Okay, all of these are past tense. Now you notice I'm kind of wobbly a little bit in translating them. In English, we have 3 past tenses. In German, there's just, for right now, there's one. There's a second one, and we'll talk about that later. But in general, though, this one is called conversational past, okay? And it's the equivalent of 3 past tenses in English. So, like, for example, hat gemacht, they made a party. They did make a party. They have made a party. Hat gemacht means all 3 of those things. They made, they did make, they have made. All 3 past tenses in English, same thing, one thing auf Deutsch, okay? So you can start to sort of see maybe how you form the past tense. Maybe this is sort of, you're seeing a pattern here. Gemacht, getanzt, gespielt. We're going to talk about that pattern in the next exercise, okay? For right now, though, just notice that this is the past tense. Now, you've got one more thing here. A Geschwindigkeitswettbewerb. Geschwindigkeitswettbewerb. A speed contest. So this might be a little trickier to do at home. You can do this though if you are in your Lerngruppen. If you're in your breakout room, you can do this. So die Frage ist, wer kann am schnellsten lesen? Who can read this paragraph the fastest? Okay, now you're thinking, why are we doing this? What's the purpose? The purpose, is a couple of things. One, reading out loud will help you get better at pronouncing the words, to wrap your mouth around those German sounds so that eventually you'll be able to say Geschwindigkeitswettbewerb without like stuttering, So reading out loud helps your pronunciation. Number 2, the more you hear these past tenses, the more they're going to sound right. You guys don't mess up past tense for the most part in English because it sounds right. So you don't have a problem with saying we go to the game yesterday because nobody says that. You've heard your whole life we went to the game, and went just sounds right, even though what's up with that? Like, that doesn't even have any of the same letters that go has. And if you can do that in English, if you can remember in English that went is the past tense of go, and like you don't even think about it anymore, then you can do it auf Deutsch. It's just a matter of hearing it over and over and over so it starts to sound right. So that's why you're going to have this Geschwindigkeitswettbewerb. Read it as fast as you can, pronouncing everything correctly. Die Klasse 9a hat am Samstag eine Party für Victor gemacht. You're going to do that again and again until it starts to sound right. Sie haben eine Party gemacht. Eine Party gemacht. Yeah, they made a party. Yeah, that's the point, okay? So with your group, in your breakout room, yeah, read this over and over again. Somebody keep the timer and see how fast you can go. If we were in the classroom, I'd be putting the times up on the board, but you know, we're not. So you can drop it in the chat if you want, yeah, or you can let me know, yeah, how fast you were if you'd like to, you know, brag to everybody, yeah, but read this out loud over and over, check each other, yeah, and practice starting to get these words sounding right in your ear. Okay? Das ist alles. We're going to get an explanation of how past tense works and how to create it ourselves coming up really soon. Okay? That's on its way. Tschüss.